US-based watchmaker Timex Group commemorates their strong partnership with their Hyderabad-based partner Kamal Watches, Aparna Mall, through a special edition watches collection from Timex and Kiss. At a grand celebration, popular actor Sriya Reddy was invited to grace the occasion and unveil the special collection. Established in 1969 with its inaugural retail outlet in Abbots, Hyderabad, Kamal Watch Company has expanded its presence to over 50 stores across 8 cities. With over 55 years of unwavering commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, the company has cemented its reputation as the best watch dealer among customers. The opening of the new store.
We are thankful for Timex, both collection, yes, as well as Timex collection. We wish all the success for Timex in coming years, and we will see to get more exclusive watches with us launch in coming years. Thank you all for coming here. Thank you.
How Kamal Watches has come into your life as an extravagant watch brand?
Yeah, I mean, looking at the watch that I'm wearing right now, I think is absolutely fantastic with all the diamond studded and the rose gold is something that any woman would absolutely love. And what's more interesting is the collaboration.
Oh my God.
The collaboration is what I'm more excited about. And what's even more better is that it's only 100 units. So the exclusivity is there because I definitely don't want to wear something that everybody else is wearing, right?
Sure.
So I'm pretty excited about that factor. And also there is varied kind of things, right? So this is so nice that I can wear it from day to night. And even I think I can sport a man's watch. Right? It seems little like a unisex thing, especially the green and the blue strap, something which I think we are living in, I don't know whose world we're living in anymore, whether it's a man's world or a woman's world, but I think we can interchange and wear, and that's more nice. But what's actually nice is with this collaboration, it's more modern, sophisticated, and I think it looks good on any age group.
I mean, it's perfect for gifts also, be it your birthday, be it for yourself.
Be it for myself first, yeah. Because these are too precious to kind of give it to anybody.
I mean, come on.
Yeah, so it's. I think I'm pretty excited about today's collaboration because I think 55 years is no joke, right?
I mean,
we work for 2-3 years and we sit and cry and say, oh my God, it's difficult. 55 years, hats off to you. And what a way to celebrate 55 years of this fantastic collaboration. I think that says a lot about your hard work, determination and integrity towards the brand. So yes.
And just one more question. What do you think about this newly launched Swiss and Timex collection?
That's what I'm trying to say. I mean, right from the beginning, that this is something that I think is a girl's dream. And more than eyeing this, I'm actually eyeing these watches which were termed as men's watch because I think this speaks a lot about the character that it has. And I like the dial, the without it being with the metal strap, and also because I'm happy it's exclusive, right? It's not there anywhere. And this gentleman was telling me that it is available right now only in Hyderabad and Telangana. So
Kamal stores, basically.
in Kamal stores, yes. So that collaboration and with the being it limited is also very interesting.
That's great. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.